Remember when you first saw recessed track lighting? Finally, there was another option. Designers no longer had to settle for bulky surface track, but rather, you could recess the track into the drywall for a clean, flush line. Then you probably realized the track was over an inch high, and if it was installed across the beams, you had to add 2 to 3 layers of drywall to accommodate the recessed track, resulting in additional cost. The solution? Make a track that is only as thick as 1 sheet of drywall and let the drywall be your canvas. It is a continued goal for Gregory Kay, founder of Pure Edge Lighting, to make recessed track lighting architectural, functional, and easy to install. He himself is a master electrician who saw the benefit in creating lighting solutions that made sense to today's designers and installed easily without issue. From his many years of experience in the lighting industry, he designed TruTrack, a recessed 5/8-inch track lighting system that designers can incorporate into any space. Traditional track lighting is a clunky lighting system that incorporates an awkward canopy, causing the entire system to be a visual obstruction, preventing the lighting to blend in with the architecture. We have simplified those track lighting systems into a refined, recessed solution that installs into 5/8-inch drywall for a flawless finish. The patented TruTrack lighting system is a winner of Lightfair's Technical Innovation Award and recently the recipient of the National Lighting Bureau's 2021 Art and Science of Lighting Award. TruTrack takes the worry out of working around joists for install. Track lighting can now become a part of the architectural interest in the room, highlighting furniture and artwork on the walls without being aesthetically obtrusive. TruTrack offers a minimal profile that achieves ideal lighting. TruTrack is a low-voltage Class 2 wiring lighting system and is designed for use with a 24 VDC remote power supply up to 40 feet away. For a complete and clean architectural look, a paintable slot cover is supplied with TruTrack, and only the track head will be visible once installed. For a truly unique look, TruTrack can incorporate our integral LED strip and lens, which is field cuttable for customized lengths. Our LED strip features an inline power feed and transparent lens slot cover, creating a line of general lighting along the track. The recessed channel, which houses the LED strip, is also field cuttable and is available in 2, 4, 6, and 8-foot lengths. Track heads are now easier than ever to install with our new magnetic recessed track and Zoom and Tubo wall wash magnetic track heads. The track heads simply click into place as they magnetically attach to the track. They install easily using a single hand while on a ladder. Pure Edge track heads offer lumen outputs up to 1,356 lumens with multiple color temperatures available, as well as multiple beam spreads to choose from. Pure Edge track heads also feature warm dim technology, allowing you to dim from 3000K to 1900K, creating a warm, relaxing environment. Coming soon to the Pure Edge Lighting product portfolio, TruTrack Trim. Now you can recess track lighting with no need to plaster in. The paintable channel and trim recesses into 5/8-inch drywall and even millwork, with no joist modification required. TruTrack is assembled in the USA and comes with a 5-year warranty. Pure Edge Lighting is a merge of Pure Lighting, known for recessed architectural lighting systems, and Edge Lighting, known for minimalist suspensions and wall fixtures. Our design-focused product portfolio proudly offers innovative lighting systems scalable to any space, including track lighting. When you think of recessed track lighting, think of Pure Edge Lighting and let the drywall be your canvas. Take a minute to explore our full family a 5/8" recessed plaster and lighting solutions, including TruQuad, TrueLine, TrueCirc, TrueCurve, Reveal Wall Wash, Verge, Veil, and Vanishing Point. Designing with TrueTrack is easy. Send us your CAD drawings or sketches, and we will send you a diagram of your layout with a bill of materials. You can also contact your local rep for samples. We engineer lighting solutions that cultivate your creativity. What will you create today?